A child is not a slave, is not a warrior, is not a toy, is not a tramp, is not to be abandoned by medicine, is not meant to starve, an object to be abused. A child is a human being with all their rights.
Government leaders of the world, observe the Children's Rights Convention, because we are the children of this planet too.